Most people think any savings account is automatically good. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real value depends on how fast your money grows and how easy it is to access it. In this video, you will learn whether the Chime savings account is actually worth using in 2026, and who it is really designed for. Let's get straight into it. Chime offers a simple digital savings account linked to its checking system. It is built for people who want to save money automatically without thinking too much about it. There are no complicated steps, no physical bank visits, and no minimum balance requirements. Now here's where it gets interesting. Chime's savings feature is not designed to give the highest interest compared to traditional high-yield savings accounts. Instead, it focuses on simplicity and automation. So if someone like Alex struggles to save money manually, Chime helps him move small amounts automatically from checking to savings without stress. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Saving money in Chime is easy, but it may not always give the strongest growth compared to other financial institutions. So it is more about discipline than maximizing returns. Let's break it down step by step. First, automatic savings tools. Chime lets you set up automatic transfers or use roundup features. So if John spends $4.50 on coffee, Chime can round it up and move the extra cents into savings. Over time, these small amounts build consistency. This is where most users win. They don't feel the saving process happening, so they stick with it longer. Now let's talk about access. Chime savings are easy to access anytime through the app. There are no long delays or complicated withdrawal rules. That makes it flexible for emergencies. In a minute, I'll show you who benefits the most from this system. Now let's talk about interest. Chime does offer interest on savings, but it is generally lower than specialized high-yield savings accounts offered by traditional banks or fintech competitors. That means your money grows, but not aggressively. So what does this mean in real life? If Alex keeps $1,000 in Chime, he will earn some interest, but the bigger benefit is that he will actually save consistently instead of spending it. But if someone like John is focused on maximizing returns, he might prefer a high-yield savings account elsewhere. Now let's answer the big question. Is Chime savings worth using in 2026? Yes, but only for the right type of user. It is worth it if you struggle with saving money, want automation, and prefer simplicity. It is not ideal if your main goal is to maximize interest earnings. So here's the final takeaway. Chime Savings is a habit-building tool, more than a wealth-building tool. It helps you save consistently, even if you are not financially disciplined yet. If this helped you understand Chime Savings clearly, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns in 2026.